Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to iPhone is disabled connect to iTunes. If you see a message on your iPhone that says iPhone is disabled, try again in minutes. This is due to failed password attempts. To solve this, you don't have to do anything but wait until your phone is unlocked. However, if you accumulate 10 failed password attempts, you'll need to unlock your device using iTunes. Before fixing your device, we recommend that you perform a backup as the method can wipe your device storage. Restore using iTunes. As the error message suggests, you'll need to connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes to unlock it. This is also the easiest approach to unlocking your device. Now, prepare iTunes. To get started, you'll need to ensure that you have a computer with iTunes installed. If you are using a Mac, the software comes pre-installed so you don't have to worry about anything. However, if you are using a Windows PC, you'll need to get a copy of iTunes from Apple's official website. Now turn off your iPhone. The next thing you need to do is turn off your iPhone. If your device is plugged into your computer, disconnect it first. For iPhone X or 11, SE, 2nd Gen, and 8, locate the slide button and volume button. Press and hold both buttons until the slide to power off screen appear. Drag the slider to the right until the screen turns black. Put your iPhone in recovery mode. Connect your device power cable to your computer. Hold down the home button and immediately connect the lightning cable to your iPhone. And then continue pressing the home button until your device enters recovery mode. And last, restore your iPhone. Find your iPhone in the Finder or in iTunes if you are using a Windows PC. Next, click on it and a prompt should appear. Choose Restore when you are prompted to select between Restore and Update. Wait for your computer to download the software for your iPhone. Follow the on-screen prompts to restore your iPhone. Once done, go through the initial setup to restore your data and your iPhone should now be unlocked. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.